Yes, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm here, your friend and your host. Today I'm going to show you how can cook the very famous dish called Nihari. And Nihari is very famous in the South Asia. And this is Pakistani very famous dish and Pakistani national dish too. So let's see how it's cooked, and I show you. Please take the paper and pen and write down the spices I show you right now. For nihari, you need one medium-sized onion, and then you need a coriander powder, and that's the nihari masala. They call nihari spicy special. That's a little bit red chili powder. This salt, pink salt, and 2 spoons ginger and garlic paste. And this nihari masala you can buy easily from any grocery store. This called nihari masala. That's very famous. You can buy this, and this not too much spices. But if you like a little bit spicy, so add the red chili powder. Otherwise, this spices packet is enough for your nihari. And now I'm going to show you the meat. This is the special meat for nihari. This is called shank. Right now I have a goat shank, but this, if you want beef shank or lamb shank or goat shank, you can buy it. And if you go in any butcher shop, in Pakistani Indian butcher shop, and tell them I need a nihari meat, so this is special nihari meat. So now I'm going to start, and slow by slow I show you how can use the spices. That's very easy dish. This this nihari masala, this one, they got nihari spices. If you don't add this one or this one, it's okay. Everything is over here, but it's not too much spicy because I like the spices, so I use a little bit powder. And you need this basically 2 spoons of mixed ginger garlic paste, nihari masala, onion, and meat. That's it. And that's very easy cook. And let's start the cooking. First step, we're going to add the cooking oil. You can add any kind of oil, and ghee. If you want any kind of oil, ghee, what you like to add, please add. And when it is going to little bit warm, then we add the onion. You can see the oil is a little bit warm, so we're going to add the onion. Onion chopped like very fine, and when it's going to a little bit brown, then we add meat. So far we just add the onion. Yes, you can see the onion condition. When is onion like this, the first step is you add the oil. When oil is a little bit warm, put the onion. When onion come in this shape, then you add the ginger garlic paste. Stay like 1 minute, half minute, then you add the meat. Mix it. You can see the meat in this condition. So put the oil spices, nihari masala, nihari spices, coriander powder, chili powder, and pink salt. So put all spices inside. And step by step, I hope I telling you, you can write on paper and try. Look at color. Look at dish color. When it's cooked, then you will see. In this condition, you see, then you add a lot of water. Lot of water means four glass water enough for this kind of meat. So then you can leave for 45 minutes. So it's tender. It's tender, then you can your nihari is done. When is this condition, please add 4 glass of water. And medium heat. And leave for 45 minutes. Look at this. Look at his color. Very nice, very unique. So then you can this and leave like 45 minutes, and we can see, I can see you after 45 minutes. Okay, after 40 minutes we can see the condition like this. Now we're going to add some flour batter, and you can stand and stir with this spoon and leave like 10 minutes more, and then it's done. After 10 minutes it's gonna be done, and the smell is very nice smell. See you after 10 minutes. Yeah, this is almost nihari is done, and now I ready to make the naan to eat nihari. And nihari eat with the rice too, white rice. Eat with the roti and eat with the tandoori naan. And tandoori naan, this packet is good for nihari or chicken curry or any canned curry. You eat, you buy this tandoori naan and eat with the nihari or eat with the any canned curry. And when you eat nihari with the roti, they're different taste. Eat with the rice, then it's different taste. And eat with the naan, that's a different taste. So I prefer you eat with the naan. That's very good taste. And that's our traditional pot to put the naan here. And this cloth to make our naans keep warm. So we can put one naan is ready. So we put there. And the second naan is coming, so I eat with 2 naan, 1 plate. See you in next few minutes when I going to ready the nihari plate. Yeah, so it's after 45 minutes our nihari is ready. And look at its color. Look at color. And before we serve the nihari, we have to ready this one: green pepper, lemon, and ginger. Ginger is cut like small pieces like julienne, and green chili and lemon. These 3 things, without these things nihari is don't have a good taste. So please, when you make the nihari, these things have to be ready. So let's you start. We start the nihari. Look, oh my God, look, mashallah. Look, this is called nihari. when you have a nihari like this, then you put the green chilies and ginger and lemon. Squeeze the lemon and you are ready to eat. Wow.
Bismillah.
Okay.
Wow, this is the best nihari I ever had. Thank you, Daddy. You're the best dad in the world.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look, I'll show you. Eat like this. MashaAllah. Bismillah. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share, like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Have a good day.